Okay, so we just finished fall break. Welcome back. Woohoo! Yeah. We're kind of preloading some videos and getting them all done. So you're going to see myself and some of the other teachers in the same clothes for a couple of days. We're just trying to get y'all's videos loaded so that way y'all can have them up online and be ready to go and don't skip a beat. So we have, on the 16th, we ended up with a new moon and stuff. So during our fall break, that Friday of the 16th, we had what's called a new moon. So it started all dark. It's starting my cycle all over again. Okay. So what we're going to see is that on the 16th, we have all black. So that means on the next day, on the 17th, whenever I look at the moon in the sky, I'm just going to see a little bit of white showing up. All right. Now I got to stop and think. Ms. Strizich just kept telling me all changes happen to the right side. So if I'm all dark and all black moon, then that means on the right side, I'm going to start showing a little bit of white showing up. So a little bit of light's going to hit as it keeps orbiting around us. All right, so I'm looking at it. I'm going to, let's start on, let's go to the 19th. All right, let's start today's on the 19th. We're at 10%. So I'm looking at it and I got 10% of my moon. I was at 0, all changes happen to the right. So as I look at it, I'm going to get a little slither. Not a lot, it's just a little. On my right side, that's going to be lit up. All right, so as my moon, and you can see just a little slither right there. As my moon gets brighter, we call it waxing. Just like you wax a car and it gets brighter, it gets that dirt off of it and it gets shinier. My moon's waxing and it's getting brighter. Remember, we said between 1 to 49, about 49% is going to be what we call a crescent. So as I'm starting to brighten up, I've got to go through these crescent phases. On the 22nd, so on Thursday, the 22nd, we jumped to 39%. All right, so that's from 10 to 39. My moon is continuing to get brighter, so I'm going to continue to happen on the right side. So since I said I'm getting brighter, I know I'm waxing. Because we, again, wax a car to get it brighter. So waxing the moon gets it brighter. And we're at 39%, which means I'm waxing crescent still because I'm not to that halfway point or close to it. On the 23rd, we go to 49%. Now that's as close as I'm going to get to my halfway point, my 50%. That's why we said about. So looking at it, I have about half of my moon that's lit up. We call this a first quarter. All right, so 49% is my first quarter. And then as I go through onto the 25th, so the Sunday the 25th, my moon's going to continue to get brighter. It gets up to 69%. We know that we're getting brighter, so we know that that's called a waxing. But now I'm over that halfway point. So we call this a waxing gibbous because anywhere from about 51 to 99% is my gibbous. All right. So we're going to go ahead, make sure you have this done, make sure you have it down. Now over the next week, my moon's going to continue to get brighter and brighter. All right. So we're going to see that happen all the way through the next week. But you'll come back and you'll just do those videos here in a little while. All right. Bye.